Look at my revenue report on one of my payment gateway system, which is Razorpay. I've generated between 1st of July to 31st of July in last 1 month 6.5 lakh in revenue. Okay, and if I change it to 15 days, it's 3.5 lakh. So you can clearly see I've been able to make over 6 lakh rupees in just 1 month. Okay, so that is all possible using my unique formula, which is called million rupee Facebook ad campaign. Let me show you more on that. Now look at my Facebook advertising account. Let me just refresh this. Okay, and as you can see it, from 1st July 2020 to 31st of July 2020, within this 1 month period, I have spent over 57,900 rupees, and I've got about 3,920 people clicking on it. And as you can see it from my revenue report, I've been able to make 10 times higher what I have spent. So I've spent about 57,900 to be exact, and I've been able to make 6.5 lakh rupees in revenue, and that's the power of Facebook ads. So like this, you can also get this result for your business or somebody else's business from the Facebook ads when you follow my proven system and proven approach. So this is how you can get the highest return on investment on your Facebook ads. You actually invest 1 rupee in or $1 in and get the $4, $10, or even more than that, right? And that's the power of Facebook ad, as I mentioned. Now, currently the coronavirus pandemic is going on and the economic recession is happening worldwide, and everybody is looking to cut down the cost in the business, right? And if you want to generate the qualified leads or sales in any business that you might be doing right now, there is no better option other than the Facebook ads. Or even you might be doing any job, or you might have lost job during this economic recession. This is the number one skills in 2020 and beyond to master it. You can help other businesses. You can help your future boss, and you can look for marketing and sales job and help other businesses to bring in more qualified sales and qualified leads from digital marketing, from Facebook ad, to be very specific. And most importantly, you don't need any kind of technical skills to achieve these kind of results, because if I can do it, you can do it too. You have a huge potential to generate the million rupees in the next few months for your business or for anyone business that you might be working for. So as a next step, I'm going to give you my 3 secrets which help me to scale my Facebook ad campaigns for any business to million rupees Facebook ad campaign in the just next few months. If you really focus on my approach, if you really follow my system religiously, you can get the results that I'm getting it right now. So please register for the free 30-minute training. Leave your contact details somewhere around that and check your email, and you will get my free 30 minutes training where I'm going to reveal the 3 secrets which really help me to achieve these kind of results. So I look forward to see you inside the free 30 minutes training. Thank you so much.